What we're going to do now is we're going to do a little ear training. And what is ear training? Simply put, ear training is basically identifying what your ear is hearing. We do this very often with intervals. What is an interval? An interval is the distance between two notes. And the interval we're going to talk about right now is the minor second. Now, the minor second is just a half step. So if I'm starting at a C and I go up a half step, that would be a minor second. C to D flat, minor second. And since we're doing the key of F right now, let's go to F. Go up a half step, that's your minor second. If I did it down in this octave, what does that sound like? Well, for those of us who grew up in the 70s, we know that that's the Jaws theme. Good way to remember the minor second. If I started on this note, how about I'll start it here and you sing the next note. So if I started, you would sing, right. Let's do another one. Good job. Let's do another one. There you go. That's your minor second. Those are all minor seconds. The next one I'd like to talk about is the minor third. And we know the minor third, if we started on the F, a major third, of course, is the A. That's your third. Come down a half step. That's your minor third. La, la, minor third. Sing that with me, or sing it after me, I should say. La, la, minor third. La, la, minor third. I'll start on a different key. La, la, minor third. La, la, minor third. La, la, minor third. La, la, minor third. And remember, we did the minor third when we did the minor pentatonic scale? Minor third. Boo, 1 flat 3. Minor third intervals use the la. So you hear that interval all the time, the minor third. Minor third, of course, is 3 half steps up from the root. Up, minor third. 1, 2, 3, minor third. Those are your intervals. Minor second and minor third. Next, I'd like to talk about orally recognizing the major 7 chord and the minor 7 chord. Just identifying that sound, recognizing it when you hear it. Now, when I play this chord, major chord, it's a major 7 chord. Those are all major 7 chords. light sounding. Some people may say kind of happy sounding. Now there's a big difference between that major 7 and the minor 7. That's a little darker. One might say a little warmer. Major, minor, major, minor, major, 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 minor, minor, major. So that was the major 7th chord and the minor 7th chord. You know that when you hear that major 7th chord, it's a little bit lighter. The minor 7th chord is a little bit darker or warmer, I like to think. So that's the difference between those two. Major, minor, major, minor, major, minor, the major 7 and the minor 7 chord.